Hello, my name is Lamin. This is tutorial 3. Today what we're going to do is create a table in HTML. Let's start. So we first open a new file, save it as table, call it table. Okay, we save that. So let me zoom it so you can see. So what we do is we open our HTML, close our HTML. Always remember that, always close your HTML. Go ahead, close our head. So we have, in the head we have our title. We call it table. No, call it table. We close our title. Close our title. Then we have our body. We close our body. Okay. So first of all, what we need to open a table. Okay, we first open our table. Don't forget this. You open, you close. Open a table, close a table. Perfect. So what do we need here? We need this. Okay, check it out. Here, a table. Let's close out here. Okay, so in here, what do we need? We need that. Okay, so we call it names, and we close it. We go from here, we say DH, and surnames. Okay, close it, and we come down here, we open another tier, we close it here. Okay, so here, done. So we call it Lamin, close TD. Sorry, we single time. Okay, we close our TD. Got that. We can go ahead and put another name. TR. Yeah. Okay. TD. In this case, we say I don't know, let's use Musa. I don't know, I'm just guessing any name. Or Luke, let's just Luke. I have not closed my tag. I don't know if anyone's saying it, but I haven't closed my tag. Okay, so we done that. We come back here. We come here for a minute. Let's do this properly. Okay. So let's make it decent. We got that. We say Luke, James, TD. Okay. So that's the first step. Okay. Let's try and run this and see what it does before we do anything. So if I run it with Chrome, actually it gives us something like that. What if I say we want to see the border stuff? let's say we come here, we say border, border equals to sorry, I'm making a mess. Okay, so we here border. Okay, we say 1 pix. We just leave it that way, and we save that. If we refresh that, we see what it does for us, right? So that's what it does for us for now. Okay. If we take this out, check it out. If we take this out, okay, we take this out and we join this, right? Look what it does. If we refresh that, look what it does. So it's not okay, isn't it? Right. So in this case, we say we want that way, but we want to do more stuff in it. We can come here. We say cell spacing. So to make the space and all that. So cell spacing. Okay, cell spacing. We say close to 0. Or we can say 5. Let's say 5 and see what happens. So you see there's more space in it. So if I come here and change that to 0, it looks much more decent. So if I come, that's it. That's the way of doing tables. So if we want more and more and more, we can just copy that, paste that, paste that, paste that, paste that, paste that, and if we save that, it's gonna give us that. So literally, we're gonna go back and see how we did our table. We first have our HTML file. We got the header. We got. Just remember, whenever I say HTML, it means that you closed it too. So if we open HTML, we close the HTML. We open the header, we close the header. We open the title, we close the title. We open the body, we close the body. We open the table. Okay, for the fact of table, many people say you can either open it, you can either leave it open or closed, because at the end of the day, if I take this close out, let's say close, okay, it should still work. So if I run that, it will still give me what I want. So, but it's always best for you to close it. So th is for the heading path, and td is for the path is describing the heading. So one thing else I want you to see and know what is it is this caption. Let's close the caption. Okay, what does caption do? Caption is like a header. It entitles the table. So we call it table. And look what it does. It does a magic. Look, that's beautiful. So if I come here, if I want to put something else here, I can just say, color. Just we will do that in the next lecture. But actually, I just wanted to say that you can put styles. We can put styles in all of the stuff. And if you follow my next tutorial, you will find it out step by step. And we go ahead and finish all the HTML files. And finally, we try to build a website, or we try to build a CV of ours with HTML, and we see how that goes. So try and do this by your own. Try and make sure you know everything about it, and then follow me and meet me in my next tutorial. If you need anything, send me a message, email, subscribe, comment. I'll definitely reply as soon as possible. Thank you.